Are you ready for it? There's no stopping now. Are you ready for it?
哎，我是奶爸，超级厌世。今天是5月5号，然后我们的确诊数已经破了3万例了。然后你会觉得什么地方都不能去，然后要很小心，真的是超级无言。所以我也只能找一些就是完全没有人的地方来练飞机。觉得现在能做的事情也只有这些了吧，就远离人群。不晓得大家有没有跟我同样有厌世的感觉？好吧，我们直接进入影片。
Against all odds, I made it, I changed my thoughts. No switching, I take that off. They've been itching to hear my loss, but look at my losses, I turned it into lessons. Confession, my call is in question. You wouldn't offer a message when you know the author suggestions. I want it all, yeah, the bigger they are, the harder they fall. I had to run from the sight of the law. We had to switch up the ways, was lost and afraid. The villain was right at the door. So let's tighten the car, cause you know what's going round. Make a move, don't make a sound. Light it up, then hold it down. Woo! We gonna do what we gonna do, so get out of our way. Dodging holes and obstacles, we enough for the game. Fighting all this evil around us all day. Even nights when we lost in the fight. Hey, hey, we lighting it up. Never been told what we caught in a rage, we lighting it up. Even on nights when we lost in the fray, we lighting it up. Never been told what we caught in a rage, we lighting it up. We lighting it up, we lighting it up. There's so much evil surrounding the family, astounding, man, you can't ground me. I've been around the town, I say proudly, so I know what it needs. I've been counting, so I know what it means to be rowdy. Yeah, we don't take seats on seasons too. They still grieving and eat the fruit. If you want change, better lead with you. Still want it all. Light up the place we come across. First things first with the summer talk. We be the ones who gonna fall and then rain again. Yeah, pride coming for the fall that way, can't save them then. Look all the rays that came to win. Light up the place and change it then. We gonna do what we gonna do, so get out of our way. Dodging holes and obstacles, we enough for the game. Fighting all this evil around us all day. Even nights when we lost the fight. Hey, hey, we lighting it up. Never been told what we caught in a rage, we lighting it up. Even on nights when we lost in the fray, we lighting it up. Never been told what we caught in a rage, we lighting it up. We lighting it up, we lighting it up. Two hands to the sky, I'm trying to get higher. They know what the time's always. Two hands to the sky, I'm trying to get higher. They know what it is, we lighting it up. Never been caught what we caught in a rage, we lighting it up. Even on nights when we lost in the fray, we lighting it up. Never been caught what we caught in a rage, we lighting it up. We lighting it up, we lighting it up. Never been caught what we caught in a rage, we lighting it up. Even on nights when we lost in the fray, we lighting it up. Never been caught what we caught in a rage, we lighting it up. We lighting it up, we lighting it up.
今天的影片就到这边，每天都厌世没关系，利用厌世寻找明天的动力吧。如果喜欢奶爸用 FPV 介绍旅游，持续关注频道，会有更多的作品哦。我们下周5见喽，拜拜。